Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I have a new project to show you. I want to show you how you can do a really cool pattern scarf, so an arrow shape this time. So it's made out of two lines that meet in the middle and point in the same direction. So it's not a complicated project and it gets a really great result in the end. So even if you're a beginner, give it a try, and I'll show you right now how you can do something like this. Stay tuned. So I will be using Creative Melange wool from Rico Design. Chunky is the name. It's 50 grams, 90 meters in all kinds of blue and orange colors. It's pretty cool, pretty for the winter, and I wanna take a peek inside the spool to check out the colors there, but I think we can see them already. Okay, but I think I can see some green as well inside. Anyway, the needle is 6 to 7 millimeters. I will be using my 6 millimeter one as well. So let's take the beginning thread, and I will use a total of 3 spools, so 150 grams. The number is 53 if you want to find it. So let's start with 21 chains as our base. Here they are. So now take the 4th chain from the back, we go through and we do a treble. Second treble into the same spot, so that way I have the 3 chains I left out and the 2 trebles as well. So now I'll do a total of 10 regular trebles into the next 5 chains. Three, 5, and now here we have the trick. So we will do the next 3 trebles together. So here we stop and we don't finish it, but we start with the next treble. 3 loops on the needle, one more time. Four on the needle, and then do them together so that they make another stitch here on top. And now the next 3 chains will get the same 3 trebles finished as one. Four on the needle, and then we finish and we have our point. Afterwards, we do 5 chains with 2 trebles each. So that's the area before and after the arrow section, and you can notice it very easily. So now we will do 3 trebles into the last chain that we have. Here is my first row, so it's already forming an arrow shape. And now let's do the same by doing 3 chains, and then we can turn and start row 2. And then we will again do 2 trebles, and then we do 5 chains with 2 trebles, and the midsection is then here again. Okay, so here we are, so 5 double trebles. So we're now again doing the 3 trebles done together. And one more time. My band-aid is getting in the way. There we are, so afterwards 5 more stitches. And here we are now, so now we do 3 more trebles into the same spot. Here we are after 2 rows, so now we can continue 3 chains for the height and again 2 more trebles into the chain. So in the middle is always the 3 trebles done together and then 5 regular ones. So I'll do a couple of more rows so that I can show you the effect. And the thing that stays the same is this arrow shape. So here I am after a while, and you can see why I chose this specific wool for this. So you can already see the color gradient. So you see here the lovely colors that go to orange brownish and then all the way to this nice blue that we have currently. So all in all, it's really fun to work with because you can basically see the colors as they come up, and you may notice that I have a bit of brown coming up in the next row. So as I said, it's pretty fun to work with, and I think it even emphasizes the super awesome pattern that we have for today and the shape of it. So yeah, I'll do a couple of more rows and then I'll show you what I have after a while. Okay, so here is what we have after a while. So this is what it looks like for now. And you can see that the direction is always the same in each row. So it's the colors that change from row to row, and it's pretty interesting. The pattern is divided into 2 symmetrical halves if you look at it this way. And now I'm done here and I have just a tiny bit of wool left over. And now we will end with our last treble. Almost done. Then we will pull the thread out and tighten. There we go. So you see the arrow-shaped ending that we get, so kind of crooked but pretty cool. So still keeping the direction as it is. And if you take a look at the other side, it's actually pretty fitting to it. So if you wanted to make a loop scarf, you could easily do this and it would look awesome. And you can see here the colors and the pattern one more time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. You can also subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more in the future. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, have a great day. Bye!